Okay, angithi ukugula qhamuka vele sekuhambe ibanga elide. So i-supplementation ke hayi ibalulekile. Masiyinakekele imizimba yethu ingaphakathi kuma joints, enhliziyweni, kuyi-liver, kuphi ku-gut system. Asinakekele imizimba yethu. Ziningi izifo ezisificayo zihlala emzimbeni yethu sithi masivela isifo sibe sesihamba ibanga elide. So if you are not supplementing, isifo sizohamba ibanga elide sigcina sikulimazile. Kanti if you do supplement, noma sithi siyafika sizokuba nawo amandla amakhulu because you are supplementing. Uya-checker ku-health institution about your health, then usebenzise i-medication abakunikeze yona, then ubuye usupplement. I-supplementation eyefamily yonke. So uNutralite wethu ibrand yethu yama-supplements eka-1934 plant-based, organic ama-supplement esinawo. So there are so many benefits per i-supplement eyodwa osukuyisebenzisa. Ngiyabonga, asiyinakekele imizimba yethu. Supplementation is not a choice, it's a necessity.